Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody's trying to reduplicate this pattern. They actually sent me a video of someone that does this, and he does a really good job, but he does it so fast and doesn't talk that you can't really, I still can't figure out some of his technique. But if you'll just take the shape tool and make an oval, and then Control D and make a duplicate of that guy, and then while holding down the control button, make a kind of a crescent moon. By holding down the control button, it's perpendicular, or it's a perfect crescent. So then I'm going to take my crescent, I'm going to take away the outline, and then I'm going to zoom in here and Control D and make a duplicate, and then while holding down the control button, so it'll be right below it, and then make like 5 of them. Control G to group it together, then bring in an ellipse, because we need kind of to trim off some of this part. Maybe in this, I don't know the size of the lips yet. That would be helpful, but I think that's about right. We're going to go to intersect and then take our new deal, and we'll go ahead and color it in with blue. Take away the outline. And then we're going to take this, let's get this out of the way. Control D and duplicate it and rotate it 120 degrees. And this is where I totally don't understand, there's no rhyme to reason where you're going to put it, but I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. And I've actually got a too sharp a point up there on the deal, but all you're basically doing is covering up the blue. And if you take your nudge factor and set on pretty low, so basically all we have to do is cover up the blue part, and that looks pretty good. And then Control D again, rotate it another 120 degrees, so you get 240. Then on this time, you're going to put it inside there, and then just nudge it over. You're matching up these points kind of right here. That doesn't look half bad. If I would have done a better job of cutting that corner off, it's kind of rounded in my, because I'm a little bit smaller on this one, my the lines are a little thicker and the white lines aren't as thick. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.